In this SolidWorks tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save a custom part template so that you can just load that new part template upon startup if you have certain preferences. So let's go to new part, that's fine, select OK. And now here, if we have any special settings that we want to save, for example, if I want to make this plain all the time, plain white background, I want to have, let's see, certain units. I click this. I want to have millimeter and kilogram unit system metric always applied, and I want to always have a sketch started and saved on the front plane. Let's say I want to have to always start with a rectangle on the front plane, whatever, it doesn't matter. Any special preferences upon startup of a new part file I can include here, even if I want to set a material by default. I can now go to File, Save As, and instead of a regular part, I'm going to go to Part Template, PRT-DOT, and you can see at this path here, Program Data SolidWorks, SolidWorks 2025, depends on your version, templates. This is where it's going to save to. I can give it a name. And that's the default one. I can add my own custom template, click Save. So that now, if I go to Advanced, I can select that part template I just created with those special configurations upon startup.